Hello, world.
Don't show me.
It is 3:30. I came home from work.
It's been one of those days.
I had meetings. I went to the office today, and I had meetings, so that's why I went. But then after my meetings for the day were done, I was like, I'm gonna go home and rest to get my leg up so I don't overdo it. But we did Walmart grocery pickup, so I picked those up on the way home, and I picked up some treats. Sarah is all about, we call it a lemon spritzer, and I saw this, so I had to try it. I had to grab it. But usually a lemon spritzer is some kind of lemonade and some kind of spritzer like Sprite, ginger ale, ginger beer. So this is already made, and then I got her separate.
I already put it in the fridge.
Wait, look at that! 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 Okay, but look at this.
I've never had this brand before.
Ginger beer, mix that with some Minute Maid lemonade. Call it a day. That's Sarah's afternoon spritzer when she's feeling the work set in and she needs a break.
Do you see me? I woke up with a terrible headache today. And we were low on groceries, so I didn't have my typical lunch, so I'm ready to eat.
So I also got her a Starbucks because I know that would cheer her up. And
I'm very thirsty.
Flavored #1 flavor in Canada, all dressed Ruffles. But I have to log back on because I'm not done working for the day. I have to work the rest of the day from home. But I'm home. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look what came in the mail today. It wasn't even supposed to come until tomorrow, but it came today. This is a muscle rolling stick. I'm gonna pop it up on my leg, and I can give a nice roll out on my leg.
Jeans and Tevas.
Jeans and Tevas. Fashionable. So I should have probably been using one of these for the past 12 months, but better late than never. It already feels great. We got that in the mail today before I even got home, so I've been using that really good on my thighs. I had some crazy Charlie horses during the run.
Just a little.
No, leave down there. But I've been softly using it on my calf into my Achilles, and it feels so good. Stretch it out.
Are you gonna bring it with you tonight?
Maybe I will.
We're going to the Polynesian resort. Ever heard of it?
We're gonna see about getting into the Polynesian just to kind of relax. Maybe hit up Trader Sam's or something. Maybe not. Who knows? Maybe watch the fireworks from the shores.
It's a good idea.
Lay out in that cold sand.
Peter isn't terribly beat from
going to the office.
Yeah, but we do we feel like the Polynesian isn't we'll probably even do less walking around than we did last night. Oh gosh, yeah. We're just gonna chill.
Yeah, I just took some anti-inflammatories. My ankle still is the Achilles area is still swollen. I'm
doing my best to get all of the comments responded to from over the marathon weekend.
You guys were incredible in those comments.
Yes, so it's been a lot to come back to, but awesome to go back and relive a lot of it.
Let's go.
So,
we were in a particularly missing the Earharts
moment
funk today.
And we went talking to them all day long, and we just got videos of the kids being the baby, and I just was watching our old videos with them from October, and we came to the Polynesian, and Peter said, if we were missing the Earharts, this is not the resort we should have gone to.
This is like their bread and butter.
To feel better. But we'll just pretend like they're here.
Yeah.
We're meeting up with the Earharts tonight.
In spirit.
Well, next time they're here, they're gonna...
Ben, if you're watching this, I think we need to get these matching sweatshirts. You can have the blue one because orange isn't your color, but I think I could rock orange.
Yeah, that would be cute.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you don't mind. Another lobby time. It's almost time for fireworks.
After that little lobby party, lobby luau.
Ooh.
We're gonna go dig a hole and cover my Achilles in the nice ice cold sand for the fireworks.
There's a boat that could take us to the Magic Kingdom. No, we're taking it easy.
She's the one that's trying to force me into being on my foot more.
Especially since a certain festival starts tomorrow.
Well, we're going.
We found a swing to sit on. But you can't see the castle, but I think we'll be able to see the fireworks still and hear the music.
Oh, for sure we'll be able to hear the music. I think we'll be able to see the fireworks.
And hear the boats. It's super dark right here. But just a warning, if you ever want to sit on one of these swings,
you slide off them really easy.
You slide off of them.
So I think we're gonna wait to see the fireworks to start to see if we can see how well we can see the fireworks, and we might just go stand over there.
There's lots of people here.
There's a lot of people here, so don't
Feeling
show up.
the love.
Don't show up 15 minutes before fireworks if you think that's a good idea. Show up 30 minutes.
I mean, it's not like we would have a bad spot. It's just that people have like the seating.
I wanted to sit on a big rock or something. I didn't want to stand.
These people up here are in the club level here. And this balcony, they're like, come on, it's starting!
The whole family's like, get on the balcony!
The lights look awesome. I think we're gonna stay here.
I think so, it's relaxing.
And bold enough to pursue.
Oh, gorgeous. Yeah, we're staying here. We're leaving.
We're leaving, and we just realized why there are so many youngins here. It's because there's new college program kids.
There's new CPs, the scoundrels
And,
having the best time of their life.
One, they currently have money. Two, Ohana is an awesome place to go with your new friends. Tryna be lately. Okay, one, we're at the P.O. Box.
Two, we were just discussing how Netflix raised its prices, and somebody put a funny message on the line. They're like, oh, Netflix raised its prices. The whole 150 people who actually pay for their accounts are going to be affected by it. And I told Sarah, because we were laughing, because like 18 people, including an old fraternity that I almost rushed in college, all have access to our Netflix account. I was like, that's us. Like, we're going to get, but that's okay. I love that. There's literally like 5 states. Our Netflix account is in like 5 or 6 states.
Yeah. And 3, we were just discussing Mardi Gras at Universal because we're so excited. We're so excited that Macklemore is going to be there, but also that Gavin DeGraw is going to be there. So when I Don't Want to Be
Bucket List
just came on, we were like,
okay.
We got a box, we got a box, we got a box.
I love when this happens. So we have a little P.O. box, but when there's a bigger item that can't fit in it, they give us this key, and I love it. It's like a puzzle.
Game show.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Hi Peter, congratulations on completing the marathons. We thought that this might come in handy. From Maria, Carmela, and Rosa. Thank you.
What is it?
Let's open it and find out.
Is it a castle?
Oh my
That
God.
is so cool. That is you running
That's
through the
me.
castle.
Yes.
So you just hang them all on there?
Yeah.
That's nice because it doesn't have knobs. It doesn't restrict you to a certain amount of runs. So you can just hang them all up there.
And theoretically, like, if I start going crazy, like I've already mentally gone crazy, and do like a bunch of Run Disneys over the next couple of years, like I could run one ribbon for all my Dopey medals from.
Yeah.
So I could do like the Dopey challenge with all the medals on it because they come off real easy, and then my other ones, because I want to do the St. Pete's 10K.
Yeah.
The Skyway 10K. This is so nice. Thank you so much. Can we hang this tomorrow?
Yeah. Where?
Somewhere in our room, along with our calendar that we gotta hang.
We're not done yet. We're not done yet. Ba-da-da. The microphone today is just my enemy. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Last stop for the evening.
We're going to the movies. We're gonna go see On the Basis of Sex.
Yes, I'm so excited. And we have to buy our tickets still, so.
All about the AMC stubs.
Come on.
Super pumped for this.
In we go. Tell you how it is. We loved the movie.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg. She's awesome.
Yeah. And I was under the assumption that like the whole storyline was only gonna be part of it. So like it really like drew it all out, got lots of good details.
Suspense.
And like I was like shaking. I was so like invested. So if you're into that sort of thing, go see it. If you're into American freedom.
Divas. Will you read the quote of the day?
Certainly. It's Cole's birthday. So happy birthday, Cole. And whether you think you can or whether you think you can't, you're right. Henry Ford.
Heard that before.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I like that one.
Right.
Because you can do whatever you want.
And if you think you can, you're not going to be able to do it.
Right?
That's what can you do? What can you do?
Anything.
Exactly. It's late. It's about midnight, so technically we're going to bed with it being the first day of Festival of the Arts. So, but before we go to sleep,
Peter's just been talking about that all night long.
I'm gonna roll out my calf a little bit and my Achilles a little bit with this, and I got my pillows to elevate it all night. And then tomorrow we're doing rotations of 15 minutes because I'm working from home tomorrow. I'm gonna do 15 minutes ice, 15-minute out. Like I ice while it's elevated, so I'm gonna do 15 minutes of my Achilles on ice, 15 minutes of it nothing, just elevated, 15 minutes straight of the rolling, followed by 15 minutes more of resting it, and then repeating that. So that's a full hour. So it's literally just gonna be 8 hours of that, all to make it better, but all to also prepare it for the first day of Festival of the Arts, because I can't not go.
Yeah.
But
taking it easy.
Sarah's adamant on trying to get me in a wheelchair.
I mean, if we need a wheelchair, we need a wheelchair. I was just looking down at Eve because she's stretched so cute. She doesn't like that this was touching her foot.
It tickled her a little bit.
She's stretched so good and she just got so comfy, and I think we all need
to go to bed.
It's
good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.